Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to check the OS release version in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So I am opening the terminal now. I am logging as a root user because the file is located in /etc directory. So cat etc/os-release. So this file will display the release information, that is full information about this release. So you can see full details of the OS release, what is the current version, what is the distribution name, everything, pretty name of the distribution, everything is displayed. So you can customize this command. So I am customizing this command, so you can use like this also. Cat /etc/os-release grep version ID will give you the version ID of this OS release. Pretty will display the pretty name of this operating system. So pretty name means it will display the full name, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.6 UTPA. So like that it will display. So like that you can customize the command using this OS release file. So OS release will display all the information about the operating system release. So you can make use of this file to check the latest OS release.